Hello and welcome back. It's in front of me. You can see the Cutty Sark. Um, when it was in service, and as it used to be a tea clipper, and they're bringing like tea from other countries and over to England. Before we got into Doll's houses, this is what we used to do, or to say make. Yes, and then we used to do it like weekends only. Yeah, and there's near enough took us 2 years to collect it because we used to get one a week. We used to buy a magazine, and this is a magazine. As you see, this is number 34, and it did go from 1 to 100. So it was 100 weeks, and that's where you get you near enough 2 years from. Yeah, we used to come in like a magazine like that, and with bits in it, and they didn't have this much bits in it, because it's all off of different magazines, and that through the build of it, and a bit all used to come like these bits of woods, and as we used to enjoy doing it. Yeah, and so like and we completed this one, and as then we started another one, but I will show you the other one in a minute. And now I'll just put my glasses on. And yeah, because we've done all the rigging, and all the rigging is separate. Because you've got the tie all the little knots, and I don't know if you can see this, and I hope you can. And all the knots you got to tie, you got to do all the rigging. Because you got to put all these ropes and all that through these little pulleys and all that. You got to put all your chains on. You got to do all your sails because they come white. So in that case, you've got to sew all your reading to them by a sewing machine, and my wife done that. And then you got to soak them in tea to make them look old, and that because this is old now because we've had it for quite a while. Yeah, we've had it quite a while. We did like enjoy making it, and it was hard because all this rigging and all this there, and then all the boats and that would come already because these are cast iron or metal, and all these little bits of metal as well. But you have to make all these little cabins, and there's all these cabins along here as well. We'd be able to make by hand, and that one up there, and as you can see, there's a little wheel up there. Yeah, so and we really enjoy making it. So, but this is what we was doing before we started the dolls houses. Yes, yeah. So because all these boats and that all and all we had to do on them was like paint them, and as and then glue them onto the stands where they're on. Yeah. Because we had to put all these um, gun openings in for it because they haven't got no guns in there, but and they're fully open because they all open up, and as you can see, and that and there's all this metal, and then we had to put on, and that as you can see, like the sheets of it in there, and that's what we had left over from it, and there's in all the brown timber and all this, and the brown wood is this one here, and but we painted that darker, and that is in like the floors, the floor come in like bits like this one here. And there was like that one there, and we had to lay all that down and glue it, and then we had to do all the masts, and they put all the main supports up, and they put all this rope up to hold the rigging, and there's my wife and I done that. Oh, well, I was to say, I shout, and then me and Shout done all this. Yeah, and then we worked hard on it. Yeah, so we really enjoyed doing it, and then, well, as you know, we've got into those houses. So, and then we're just going to scan it on one top so you can have a look at it, and I'll show you the other one. Okay, I'm behind the camera now. We're going to scan over the over Cutty Sark, and so you can see the decking that better. So here we go.
All hands on deck!
front of me, as you can see, I know it don't look much at the moment, but it is the HMS Victory. Yeah, it's been working on this one, but this has been is upstairs on the shelf and that for a couple of years now, and then I haven't touched it. But I am going to start in the building again, and then as I go through the builds, and then I will show you. So there will be me and Shao and they're making it, but I'll be doing the body, and as in when it comes to rigging, and as in little knots, Shao does that because uh, because these hands are no good with little knots. So yeah, so we'll be doing this. And I know it doesn't look much as I just said, but I've got a boat, so you can tell the scale from the Cutty Sark to the Victory. This one apparently, and then once you get it all set up, this is 4 foot long, and that yeah, and no, yeah, 4 foot long by about 4 foot high or something like that with all the masts and all that on it. And that is a lovely ship. I am into my old galleons because that's what I used to call them then, back in them days, because I do like them. So you can see all the ribs for the ships and for the ship and all that. And there's all this woods. There's got to be, and they go all the way down. There's one underneath, and as you can see, and that is, and on the other side, there's plenty to do because where you see hang on, let me just get that in. Let's see. And then we see on this side here is the same as on the other side. This, in the way I've left it so long, this has started coming out on this end here, and then as you can see that, and that's same with the other side. But all I do is just glue that and then clamp it when it's place, and then that'll be fine. Um, yeah, so yeah. So this one here. This HMS Victory, it took us. There's 150 magazines of it, and that so it just shows you how long it was taking us to collect this one, and we are on the magazine uh, 26. So I've still got a lot to do, and that so it will be, and absolutely the brilliant ship and all that, and as I do enjoy making them. And that's so does Shower. So that's how far we got, and on the magazine you can see, and it tells you like step by step and as where to do it, and and then like, you see this bit here, I don't think you can see that bit there. That's what you got in this issue, and as in this issue, and if you get like different things in different issues, and but this is how much we got left over, and then that we're using. And yes, we made like cut little guns for it, little guns. But we got little guns to go in here as well. And then as in every gun port, and that is we got guns to go in. And that on these ribs here, you got floors to go along on these floors. So there's still loads and loads to do yet, as you can tell. So yeah, and I hope you enjoyed watching this video. It's just to let you know what we've done before, and yeah, so I hope you will join me when I start doing this. And I will be doing bits and pieces of this, and that is every so often, but I'll still be doing the dolls houses as well because we really enjoy doing them. So yeah, uh, if we just what I'm gonna do is end this video here now, and thank you for watching our video. If you could please subscribe, push that like button, and there's a notification button. So yeah, so if you could join us in making the HMS Victory or the Dolls Houses, which I have to see. So see you later, and thank you very much for watching. So bye bye.